Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your Samsung S23 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust media and the call volume in these settings. But the catch is, you cannot adjust the call volume in these settings on a Samsung. You cannot also set it here, you cannot do that. The only way to do that is basically by calling up someone and changing it while being in an active call. What you guys want to do next is basically check here, check the sound and vibration, and check the media volume and the sound and vibration and volume. Here, make sure that it's maxed out. And after that, what you guys want to do is go to modes and routines. And here in the modes and routines, make sure that there's nothing enabled. Next, what we're going to do is go to notifications and then do not disturb. Make sure that do not disturb is also disabled. This is very important because it mutes notifications and calls, so we don't want it. We don't want it messing with our audio. And next, what we're going to do is we want to clean the speaker. So this is very important. We got the speaker at the bottom right here, close to the charging port, and we want to make sure that it's cleaned out. And after we clean it with a soft brush, for an example, what we can do is restart our phone. So we're going to press the power button, the volume down button, and hold it until you see this. Now press restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what we want to do as a last resort is check for software updates. So we're going to go over to settings. Now in those settings, we want to scroll down until you see software update and click download and install. Make sure that you're on the latest version, and I am. The One UI version is 8 and the Android is 16. So you want to make sure that you update your software because old softwares have a lot of glitches and the new softwares fix them. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.